Most people who learned English in the classroom have good reading and writing skills. Conversation is more difficult because it is harder to control the pace and content. Don't be intimidated by English conversations anymore. These 5 tips can help you to approach conversations with confidence, even if you are not an advanced English speaker. Number 1. Describe it. Have you ever been stuck and blocked in the middle of a sentence by a word you can't remember? Instead of trying to search on a translation app or getting embarrassed, use other words that you do remember to describe the missing word. The person who is listening will be able to remind you of the missing word if you can provide the context. Number 2. Talk with your hands. Another approach to filling in the gaps in your vocabulary is to use body language and gestures to convey the meaning you want. Your conversation partners will be able to supply the missing word. You might feel silly at first, but body language and gestures can help you to keep the conversation moving instead of cutting it off to look for a word on your translation app. Number 3. Ask questions and listen carefully. If you feel like you don't speak well enough to contribute or you're feeling really nervous, invite the other person or other people in the conversation to speak by asking questions. By listening carefully to what is said and asking more questions to clarify your understanding, you can learn useful vocabulary to help you the next time it's your turn to talk. Asking questions can also help you to form relationships because people will be flattered that you're interested in knowing more about them and their opinions. Number 4, take your time to speak carefully. While many learners of English think that speaking quickly will impress others and show off their language skills, this is often not the case. If your listeners cannot understand or follow what has been said, then it is simply failed communication. Speaking slowly and clearly projects confidence and deliberation. Number 5, smile. A smile has universal meaning. Smiling will show other people in the conversation that you have good intentions, even if there has been a misunderstanding or miscommunication. According to psychologists, smiling can make you feel happier, which can in turn give you more confidence to keep speaking English. I hope these tips will help you to be more confident in your next conversation in English. Comment below if you have any other conversation tips to share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.